Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you for giving me chance to deliver a presentation. My topic is International Mother Language Day. As we celebrate International Mother Language Day, a day dedicated to promote linguistic and cultural diversity around the world. 21st February was chosen as the day of observance to honor those who lost their lives in 1952 Bengali language movement. Bengali as one of the state languages of Pakistan, where students and activists in East Pakistan protested for the recognition of their mother tongue. International Mother Language Day was established by UNESCO in 1999 to raise awareness about the importance of preserving and promoting mother languages. In Bangladesh, 21st February is observed as Shohid Dibosh or Martyrs Day to honor the students. People visit Shohid Minar or Martyrs Monument barefoot, placing floral wreaths to pay tribute to the language martyrs. Global celebrations. Educational institutions organize cultural events, language workshops, and seminars are held worldwide. Communities engage in poetry, music, and art performances. In education promotes mother tongue based education, enhances cognitive development and learning, encourages respect for linguistic diversity. International Mother Language Day fosters respect for cultural and linguistic diversity. We always mourn for our martyrs by singing আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি।